Moon's. Guess someone's quitting cold banana. Snack secured. Okay, who dropped the lighter?
Bet you can't evolve fast enough to dodge this. Eat up! Somebody call help, quick!
Showtime? No monkey business.
I wonder how it feels on the other side of the bars.
My survival instinct just boosted.
Get out and face me! Hey! Catch me if you can. Intentional or a fluke?
Why? My shadow's doing circles around. Ooh.
These bars aren't made for you. Come on, stretch those arms. File that fossil under adults only. Let me taste the bugs.
Out cold before I could blink. Bone breaker special straight to your dome. Is it any good? Was that a well thought out grab or pure mischief?
Filthy animals.
Monkey won't pull me in, right? A trusty twig? Oh! Please get a medic. Try to touch me. No. Whoa, monkey's got a killer hook. I'm never coming back to the zoo again. Let me out of here.
Oh,
That rock's got curves. Awkward.
Heads up, knuckle dragger. This one's lethal. Camera, really? Rock Hard Joke writes itself. What are you up to? The monkey strike knocked him out. Fast and clean. Should have evolved manners, not longer arms. Ooh.
Ooh. I have to get out of here.
great. Now the monkey's flaunting erotic minerals.
That is too much for me. Somebody get them out of there. No.
Help them! Let's see that thick skull earn its keep.
Are they a part of the exhibit?
Pop culture, self-protect women. Is that a naughty bulldog? Uchi?
Let me in, let me in! Okay, next.
Is this...
He's down, help! Can I get in? Ooh!
Oh!
Who put the intern in the enclosure again? Get help, quick!
Equal right?
Get me out of here!
sharp stick, long reach, back combo. Harpoon shot. What's the catch now?
Bet you wish you had sneakers, Buzzball.
He dropped like Train yourself. 1 thought per day tops.
Test pitch. Monkey engaged. Eat this, you flea-ridden runt. I wonder if I can get in.
Ooh.
Survival instinct, just speed boost.
Ah, behold the resident primate. Let's observe its morning routine in peace.
Inspection crew here, perform or perish.
It acts just like my kid. Your comedy career died before the Big Bang, pal. It acts just like my kid.
Skullsplitter Express. Next stop.
That all you got in the tank? 5 seconds in, I regret stopping here. Movement no behavior.
Armed and dangerous.
Wake up. Catch or dodge. You're packing more heat. Call the dentist. Ooh.
As I'm to witness the monkey.
Wow, the monkey strike knocked him out. Fast and clean. Was that a lucky grab?
Grenade, really? What is going on?
Feet. Don't fall down.
You stupid animal. Knew the idiot exhibit would be popular. Here we are. Everything checks out. I'm not scared of you. Who knew a monkey would hurt? Let's drift toward the aquarium tunnel and kill the sharks.
clever one.
A camera snapped up.
Lights, camera, primate action. Shake it! These won't hold you, would they? Escape route? Any route? Oh!
Was that just luck? Signed with spite. Oh, whoa.
Good choice. Why did I agree to this?
Easy. Oh God, help me out. Blunt force diplomacy coming right up.
Self never played was the tourist.
Ooh.
I repeat, shut up. Clearly needed.
Moved. Who put human on the exhibit list?
Hammer down, hostile in the flashbang out, move. Post. Take the shot. Hammer goes shot. More heat in the savannah. With dim registers of the gentle breeze.
Visitor punks.
5-second rule. More like 5-leg rule. Catch or dodge. Call.
Woohoo! Witness the monkey deliver a out of my way. Any chance this habitat comes for a welcome performance?
Save some for your buddies. Looks tastier than zoo peanuts.
Out of my way!
Open wide. It shatters your grin. Save some for your buddies.
Random.
Check these kicks, limited edition. Look at that. A monkey seizing a camera is a moment meant to be captured.
This'll teach you to quit your monkey business. Safety off.
Ah.
Medic, we've got a human pa-
A swift monkey move had been out before I blinked.
Wow, that animal is armed! Time to audition for the 100-meter dash! Good choice. Target locked. Prepare to kiss the dirt.
Look! Sawdust has been a conversation. Still empty.
Don't do that!
That's gonna trend on.
Ooh!
Hey, buddy. Under my watch.
What is going on?
Chief, my instructor just filed a complaint.
peekaboo.
Souvenir incoming. That's a trend on knockout compilation.
Never play shoot.
Ooh.
Oh God, help me out.
Get me out of here!
He's literally nailing this and everything else.
Home Depot called. They want their mascot back.
Duck and cover. The monkey just went full carpenter.
Duck and cover.
Don't do that.
He's remodeling fear, one nail at a time.
Stop!
Talk about nailed at energy. Safety off, chaos on.
It's just a hate. Help! Ooh.
Monkey strike.
This is bad, so bad. Was it imperfect?
Snack time. Exit strategy. Scream.
Oh!
Banana's too basic. Safety off, chaos on. Help!
Just went full western.
Ooh.
Sit
Wow,
down.
That knockout was cinematic.
Awaiting calories count. Monkey meet justice. Justice meet monkey.
Let me in! Let me in!
Let's see.
Clear the cage. No survivors.
Fancy footwork you can't replicate.
Line up your sight. End this. Switch to burst. Drop the threat.
Bet you wish you had sneakers, Fuzzball. That look fun, dangerous.
Justice swing. Serving beatings like cup. Somebody get them out of there.
Shake it.
Anybody home? Or did the keeper hit snooze on feeding time? Planned or random?
Watch these boots. Try to keep up if you... Everything's steady so far.
Stone. Secure.
I bet it is sad in there.
Oh. That was too good for an animal. Dig in, Chef Chimp.
Any chance this habitat comes to
Put the inappropriate pebble down. This is why I don't skip leg day.
Ouchie!
Heads up, souvenir incoming. He's down. I felt the same.
Who thought that this would happen?
Unload. Empty your mag. Stack up. Breach on my mark. Make house snack.
right complete. Still can hold it. Test my baton. Nightstick kiss. Serving beatings like cupcakes. I am an equal opportunity as kicker. Cheap shot, fast brain. You'll regret that, chimp.
But you can't evolve fast enough to dodge this.
Ooh.
The KO was technical.
Ooh.
Wow. Harry side with the piece.
That put the banana down.
needs bananas. Time for corrections. Stack and smash. Go. Suppressing fire. Pin that beast.
They clearly need
Neutralize the hostile now.
fired. I repeat, attacking more heat than this.
How did they get there?
Thanks. Now I have secondhand embarrassment. Showtime? Should we help? Check this thing out.
Are they a part of the exhibit?
Don't do that.
Oh,
Medic!
Oh,
security now. How did they get there? Plot twist. They're the new exhibit called Oops. Warning. Monkey.
the monkey's strike knocked.
Oh. Shoot him up. Open.
I should help them, right? Need patience and unexpected timing.
Help.
Dispatcher said contain the threat. I heard clobber.
Should we call animal control or police?
Just spotted. Erase it. Nice thing,
Oh.
Bullet the face. Give it hot. Nice polished job on the plate carrier.
Who put the intern in the enclosure?
Copper. Makes a nice lullaby.
Get help.
That's gonna trend on knockout compilations. Banana fingers on his face. What could go wrong?
Rock and roll, boys. Send it.
How dare you?
Trigger happy furball incoming.
Banana King.
Call the dentist ASAP. I bet it is sad in there. They clearly need help. Banana Call the dentist.
Weapons out. Light them up.
Nightstick is pregnant, Jim.
Cut the shatter fire. Guns free. Paint the wall.
Stage 5 nap achieved.
Just went through this.
Ooh.
The monkey.
Bullet the face. Serve it hot. Surround and shred. Light that fur ball up.
Human on the exhibit list.
They are stuck. Get them out.
Oops, slipped. Spectacular. I guess they got too close to the bars.
Time to go check out the lions.
Hey, catch! Feast your eyes on this! I wonder if these hold. I wonder how it feels on the other side of the bars.
A bottle in monkey paws is certain to stir up some fizzy mischief.
Ah! God!
Ooh. Ah.
Medic, we've got a human pancake.
Break time's over. Time for bruises.
Monkey might chase, but cardio helps him cool.
Don't throw that. Incoming special delivery. Leg day pays off. Look at this cow. Don't eat that. It acts just like my kid. Son of a right in the kisser. Let's see that thick skull girl. Think quick, tail twirler.